Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya. Today's video, we're going out for dinner with friends. So, let's go, samahan niyo ako. My habib, my baba is going to work, so work hard, baby, okay? While I'm going to dinner, okay? Okay, see ya. Thank you, see you later. Thank you. So guys, we're here. Video is real. We're having our dinner in Thai restaurant, not Thai? No, Chinese restaurant in Greenwell Point, Australia. So let's go. Let's go. The view at the back is very nice, no? The view at the back is very nice. There. Oh, we're gonna go there and take video. Oh. See you later, guys.
Normally he walks around the backyard at least once a day. Okay, yeah. Because I'm keeping an eye on him.
Hello guys, I'm going to the back because there's a beautiful view here. Ipapakita ko sa iyo yung magandang view, okay? Ito yung magandang view, guys. Very pretty. So may mga upuan dyan. Diyan. So ang ganda ng plan nila. Kasi ang ganda ng dagat. Sa may likod ng dagat siya. So, babalik na tayo kasi sobrang lamig. Super cold talaga. Lamig. It's winter. The beautiful place in Australia. Master's life, guys. Look at you. La 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 la. La la la. Here. This is inside, guys, in the restaurant. Huh? Yeah, because we follow the rules. And they're here in the air.
Reserved.
That's the word.
You know what reserved means?
Main entrance there.
They reserved it for us. They kept it for us. Reserved.
They kept it clean.
For us, yeah. They made sure that no...
From the Philippines or Indonesia?
No, I couldn't. Wait, where's that going to?
All around the world. Hopefully we claim it, okay? So funny.
Hello everybody!
Yes. Please like.
Where is that now, in Philippines?
Not yet. Gonna post it later.
But who are these people?
You're doing a video first, and then you post it on. You're going to post it on Facebook, and everyone can say friends, friends.
But who? Oh, that's us.
Yeah, that's us.
I haven't got my glasses on. Today.
So funny, Reinhardt.
I want to see myself.
Okay. Say hello,
Oh,
guys.
it's just like
We're
Rihanna,
here in
all right. I saw the bowling flag. All right, we turn right. And then where is it?
Australia.
On the first left. Oh,
Hello.
keep going. On the,
Do you like my
I
apple
think
juice?
that's not one.
Yes,
Keep going
tastes
straight.
like
The
an
arrow
apple.
straight. All right,
Tastes
keep going
like an
straight.
apple.
Cerveza.
Cerveza. Mi amiga, mi amigo.
Amigo, amigas. Amigas, it's on down.
Hello, mga mi amiga.
Una cerveza.
Reserve. No.
Gracias. Everybody speaks Spanish now.
Yeah. So that's 1, 2, 4, 6.
Yes, the other one.
And you know what? How much the banquet now?
Mm.
It's $26. The 22.
Over there?
26.
From 22 to 26. So it goes up for 4 guys.
You got
So
today
guys,
off,
we're
you'd like
waiting
more.
for our dinner entry. So
Red. Miss Red.
red the rock.
I want to be in the thing.
Say something, please.
Apple juice.
Good for you. An apple a day, keep the doctors away.
You said say something, so I will say something.
Yes, say something.
Something.
Good. You Renard, say something. Can you do a trick? What's it?
What trick?
I like the plate.
Big.
And the meal, it's
This okay. This is my first time.
Huh?
First time. The best time. Yeah.
No, I've been here a few times. With Tina too.
This is my second time.
No, we know this place.
when I work here.
This
It's
is
your first time.
my 100 millionth time.
So there was going to be a lunch or not morning break?
That's the entry.
Lunch.
Our entry, guys.
Are you coming on the last day of
Just eating our entry, guys.
Well, you're mine.
Hello.
Isn't that right?
And we're funding Ryan. Where's Ryan?
I'll be happy we can just have dinner at home.
Guys,
Doing something else.
that's our unlimited rice.
Yeah, it's a club.
Wait,
Fried rice.
There's no much as a steak cost in here.
Open it, please, guys. Unlimited rice, right? Hold it.
I want some blue moon.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Chang, charang, charang. Kikuman choices.
seafood combination.
Seafood combination.
Salt and pepper.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
And I think 2 more coming.
Oh my.
That's the 25 banquet.
it's all
The
of
blue
it.
is the back. So, you know, it's not like you
Were
have
you
the
up there when
green
they bombed that
Let's put the olive in now.
Lowry club?
Oh,
We
so,
just left, we just came, or
yeah, just going. Just going.
For dinner, guys.
Yum?
The leftover.
Yummy, thank you.
I'll tell you what I
Blender
noticed.
it here then.
In Japan to
So the
compare to
rice
here.
is nearly empty.
Dirty,
Yeah.
brown.
What's the leftover?
Yeah.
Leftover.
How's Mr. Luke?
Thank you.
Yeah, box everywhere.
Good boxes.
Shen out. And
Yeah. And Foxy.
Dad, come for the sleepover.
So we're finished our dinner, guys. So
Pajamas.
nearly going home time. Let's go. See you guys.
Oh, I finished it
See you
12.
later.
What's that? What's that?
See you next week's vlog.
Bloody
Yeah, hang on.
7, 8, 8.
Yeah, we did all of it.
Inside
Still
the
in the club.
So we're going home now, guys. Thank you.
Leah.
Thank you for coming.
I want to
See you
say
next time. Say hello.
Okay, make sure you unsubscribe and you
Please
do
share
a
and
dislike.
subscribe. Be nice.
Press the like.
Please like and subscribe, okay? Thank you. See you in my next vlog. God bless. Stay safe, everyone. Bye. This is Rihanna. Play Rihanna. Riri. Cherry, Reinhardt, and Leah right outside. We gotta do.
What time are you starting tomorrow?
Boy, you're those nose. They're here. We're going inside. We're going on. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. It was a good night.
Settle down.
Bye. Bye. Say hello, okay? Take care, okay? Take care. Yeah, okay. Hey, the supermarket, guys. What's the name of the supermarket? Woodwork. Oh, where is it? After the dinner, we get something. Shopping. Shopping alone. This is my first time here. It's very close to our place. 5 minutes drive. Not even 5 minutes. Over there. That's the it looks like. We're getting there. Life talaga. Bus is life. No bus, no entry. So we're going home now. Yes, Dad. You need a hand? Huh? You need a hand? No. Okay. Bye. We're going home. See you next time. But there's a car. There's no driver. The dog is in the... The dog is barking. Yeah. I'm home, guys. It was a nice dinner with beautiful friends. So, relax na tayo. Kasi I'm home na tayo. Good home time. La 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 la. Hoy! Foxy! The little Baba is very excited. I'm home. Look at him. Yes! 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 Yes!